Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 1810 Martin Luther King Way. Dates September 14th, 2020. Recording this from the cleanout access in the basement of the house here at 1810. 150 feet out, we're down in a 6-inch permaliner right now. So this line has been lined down to the main. I'm going to come back through this permaliner. We're underwater right now, but on my way out I got a good look at the line and it was in good shape. So there you can see some of this permaliner there, and it drops pretty good as it goes down to the main. Alright, we're coming back into a plastic section of pipe. This is under the sidewalk out in front of the house, 2 doors down to the north. As we come back into plastic, so the rest of this line is all plastic and it looks to be in really good shape. And we'll show you as we come back. We've got good grade, all newer SDR 35 plastic pipe. Still in 6-inch diameter SDR 35 plastic. Looks like we're coming into a fitting here where a neighbor likely ties in. Yep, there's one of the neighbor's ties-ins there. There's a turn. That might be another neighbor tying in there. Or maybe the downspouts drainage system. Coming back into ABS plastic pipe as we're coming back under the foundation of the house now. And there we are coming out. I'm ending the recording there.